Hotep Senu Hena Senut Et Ren I Shakandugu Kemet. I hope there's no denial. You are happy like the Nile. This pre-recorded video is entitled Bird of Prophecy, Benin Kingdom, Nigeria. I will show you the reference for this artifact. On the right, this is from the British Museum. It is the Papyrus of Ani. For those who don't know, in English it is spelled A-N-I. This is frame 3. If you want, you can type it on a search engine. Papyrus of Ani, Judgment Scene, and I think it will show up. The main reason why I'm making this video, I want to ask those who are familiar with the bird of prophecy if they know which bird it is. I am not claiming that this is an ibis bird like Jehuti, but on the 3 websites that I have viewed, they did not mention which type of bird it is unless I missed it. So here we have the Yemisi Shilan Museum of Art, Pan-Atlantic University, that's from Lagos, Nigeria. And here we are told that this is the bird of prophecy, traditionally called, now I'm sorry for my pronunciation, it may not be the most accurate way to pronounce it, Ahyanmwen Oro, is a cultural emblem of the Ugie Oro festival of the Benin people, passed down from the early 16th century under the reign of Oba Esige. This article explores the Ugie Oro festival and reveals the significance of the Ahyanmwen Oro to the Benin people. Then we have the Metropolitan Museum. For the record, I have not said it, but you have the URL here. Now, the Met Museum, we have the URL also at the bottom, and we are told that this is the ideophone birth of prophecy. And here we have the name. I hope I'm not mispronouncing it too much. Ahyanmwen Oro, 16th century. Edo people, so that will be Edo State, Nigeria. And here we have the Museum of Fine Arts, Boston. The URL is at the bottom. We have this picture right here, and we have a description which says, staff showing a bird of prophecy, Royal Bronze Casting Guild, Igun Eronmo, Edo, Benin Kingdom, Nigeria, 19th century. So, if you know what kind of bird it is, feel free to let me know. And feel free to ask also if you are familiar with some people who are from Nigeria, who are from Edo State, who are from the Bini ethnic group, or anybody else that has some knowledge or may have some knowledge. I'm curious, I would like to know. Are we aware of the type of bird or the birth of prophecy? I'm sorry, the bird of prophecy. Are we aware? Do we know which kind of bird it is? Feel free to like the video. Feel free to leave a comment. You can just leave HTTP. Stay safe, stay healthy. If I am allowed to, by the Necheru, I will definitely holler back at you. I don't argue, I state facts. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. If you do not think right, you will not act right. If you know better, you will do better. Dua itu, dua neceru, hotel.